If you don't like feet or if you're easily grossed out, do not watch this video. If you do not like feet and you are easily grossed out, click out of this video because I'm gonna expose my feet, all right? Don't watch this video if you don't like feet. It's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you the foot mask that I tried on to get baby soft feet in quarantine. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Now let's get to it. So I was looking for ways that I can get my feet to like not look as, you know, shabby. To have my feet not look as shabby since I can't go get a pedicure, but like my feet were not looking bad. Like they were not looking good. My feet were not looking good, and like I think I have some really cute feet. I personally feel like I have some cute feet, and I know a couple other people who think I got cute feet. So I was just walking around the house like, this can't be life. I still want to feel cute, you know? I was watching somebody's Amazon favorites and they were like, oh, they tried a foot mask and it like took all the dead skin off their feet. So I was like, oh, what's that? Let me try it. So I went on Amazon and I looked up foot mask and I picked up the Oliver. I think that's, I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but it's an exfoliating foot mask. So I picked these up from Amazon. Right now they're $13.99 for a pack of 3. So I picked up a pack of 3. So it came with 3 of these. And they came in like, I think a week. So these are kind of like socks. So you put your feet in it and then there's like this solution in it and it exfoliates your feet. So it says it's exfoliating, peel away hard skin and calluses, repair and soften cracked heels, moisture, nourish and renew your skin, natural ingredients and plant extracts. So I'm gonna insert a picture of what my feet look like before I put the mask on, and then it says the directions like you put these on and you leave these on for 50 to 90 minutes. So I left it on for the whole hour and a half. And it exfoliates your skin between 5 to 7 days. So I put it on, and I would just say if you have stuff to do, like if you need to walk around, do not put these on yet. Like put these on and watch a movie and stay in your bed or like stay on the couch, because trying to walk with these is a dub. Like your foot is swashing around in the solution that's like in the socks. But if you do need to walk with this, like I did, I had some sock slippers, so I put those over my feet too. So I'm gonna just insert a picture of what like when my foot started peeling, what happens. So 2 days later, I'm gonna insert a picture of what my foot looked like in like 2 days. And you know, I did see it was starting to like peel off the dry skin that I had on my feet. It wasn't that serious, and I was like, okay. On the 3rd day though, I think this bad boy started working, okay? Working. Because my feet, I was looking at them like, ooh. I'm gonna insert a picture of that. But before I expose myself and my feet, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Hit it right now because I'm about to expose my feet. If you don't like feet, skip this part. Don't look at these pictures. If you about to watch me expose my feet, you better hit that subscribe button and the notification button, because like this is kind of embarrassing, just a tad bit. I'm gonna show you like all the dead skin that came off of my feet. And like it wasn't bothersome, it didn't bother me or anything. Like I honestly didn't realize that my skin was peeling, like the dry skin was peeling off my feet. Now, it was, I think this is the 6th day. Jesus, take the wheel, because on the 6th day, the picture that I have, ooh, so gross, so disgusting. Okay, seriously guys, if you did not hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button before I show you my feet. Do that like right now. The 6th day, my foot was peeling. Like it looked like I was walking barefoot on the MTA tracks, okay? It looked like I was walking barefoot on the New York City public transportation subway tracks. That's how bad my feet looked. Oh my god. And like the days prior, I didn't bother actually like taking the skin off my feet. That's so gross. I didn't bother taking the skin off my feet like myself, because I was just like, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna just let it like naturally fall off. This day though, this day I peeled it off my skin, and I will show you how much dead skin came off of my foot that day. Like, it's so bad. It's so bad. But that was day 6, and I think that was most of it. I do have a picture like after I've taken a shower and I like moisturized my foot and whatnot. There was still, as you'll see, I'll put a picture up, I still had like a little bit of dry skin, but only just a little bit, and like I think that came off the next day. But you can visibly see that my feet look like chef's kiss, like mwah, beautiful. I had baby soft feet, and I still have baby soft feet right now. So I did this maybe like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I did this like 2 weeks ago, and like I think it's a little lifesaver, you know, like, cause who wants to be walking around with crusty hard feet? Not me. Like, I know we're in quarantine. I think now is a good time to try this because we're in quarantine and nobody's gonna see your feet anyway. New York is supposed to be on pause until the 15th. So like now is a good time to try this. So by the 15th, your feet gonna look like you just got a pedicure, because you know you're not gonna want to go to the nail salon because everybody and their mom is gonna be in a nail salon. So that is now gonna be incorporated into my like self-care type of thing. I think I'm only gonna do this maybe like once every like 4 or 5 months, because I don't really think my feet gonna be, you know, hard and cracked and all that stuff, especially since I'm not going nowhere. So I think I'm definitely gonna start incorporating that into my like self-care routine. If you guys want a full-fledged self-care routine from like top to bottom, let me know down in the comments, okay? So I'm going to also link where you can get this in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. If you enjoyed these videos and you're still watching, thank you for not being so grossed out by my feet. Like, I promise I have really cute feet. Like, I swear. I swear. It was the mask. It was the mask that made my feet look like that, okay? Don't judge me. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you didn't get to at the beginning of the video. Also, hit that notification bell. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.